Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. The sole purpose of creating this channel is to help out the students around the globe by providing the learning stuff according to their syllabus, mainly for those who are far away from getting quality education. Because I believe quality education is the right of every child. So, dear viewers, I request all of you to like my videos and share it as much as possible. Today I'm not going to explain any new concept. This lesson is meant to solve some numerical based on mole concept. The problems which I am going to solve here are given by my online students. So before starting the class, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and enjoy all my lesson. Let us start our class today. This numerical based on mole concept I have divided into two parts. So this is the first part, and I will upload the second part after few hours. So problem 1. The mass of 5.6 liter of a certain gas at STP is 12 gram. What is the relative molecular mass of the gas? And next part is calculate the volume occupied at STP by 2 moles of sulfur dioxide. So children, now we are going to see the solution. How can we solve? The first question A. The mass of 5.6 liter of a certain gas at STP is 12 gram. What is the relative molecular mass of the gas? So here you can see the data given is 5.6 liter of certain gas at STP is 12 gram. So the relative molecular mass, for that we have to find out the gram molecular mass or the molar mass, because we know that 1 mole means 22.4 liter at STP. If it is a gas, the volume of 1 mole of a gas is 5.6 liter, and the mass of 1 mole is equal to its molar mass. So let us find out the mass of 22.4 liters. So mass of 5.6 liter of the gas is equal to 12 gram, and thus the mass of 1 liter of the gas will be equal to 12 by 5.6 gram, and mass of 22.4 liter of the gas will be equal to 12 into 22.4 divided by 5.6 gram. And if you calculate this one, then you will get 48 gram. What does it mean? The molar mass of the gas is 48 gram. We know that molar mass is the relative molecular mass expressed in grams. So the relative molecular mass you can find by removing that unit gram. Hence, we can say the relative molecular mass of the given gas is 48. Now let us come to the second problem. Problem B. Calculate the volume occupied at STP by 2 moles of sulfur dioxide. So all the time you remember one thing, that the volume occupied by 1 mole of any gas at STP is 22.4 liters. So it is very easy. Volume occupied by 1 mole of sulfur dioxide is equal to 22.4 liters. So the volume occupied by 2 mole of sulfur dioxide will be 22.4 into 2, which is equal to 44.8 liter. Hence we can write the answer as the volume occupied by 2 mole of SO2 is 44.8 liter. Let us discuss another problem. Problem 2. Calculate the number of mole of, here you can see carbon dioxide which contain 8 gram of oxygen. Calculate the number of mole of carbon dioxide which contain 8 gram of oxygen. Then calculate the number of mole of methane in 0.80 gram of methane. So there are two bits in this question. First bit we will see. we have to find out the number of mole of carbon dioxide which contains 8 gram of oxygen. Now one thing I want to say, carbon dioxide, if you look at the formula, then you can find that in one molecule of carbon dioxide, 2 atoms of carbon are present. 2 atoms of carbon are present. That means in 1 mole of carbon dioxide, you can find 2 moles of oxygen atoms are present. So what is the molar mass of carbon dioxide? 12 plus 2 into 16, that is 32. So here you can see in 44 gram of carbon dioxide, 32 gram of oxygen is present. 32 gram of oxygen is present in 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So 1 gram of oxygen is present in 1 by 32 mole of carbon dioxide. So 1 by 32 mole. Now you can see 8 gram of oxygen. 8 gram of oxygen is present in 1 by 32 into 8 mole. That will be equal to 1 by 4 or 0.25 mole of carbon dioxide. From this discussion, we can find out the answer is 0.25 mole of carbon dioxide contains 8 gram of oxygen. Now come to the second bit. Methane. The number of mole of methane in 0.80 gram of methane. So what is the molecular mass of methane? First we will find out. We know that methane, the formula is CH4. So the molecular mass will be 12 plus 1 into 4. And now you can see it is equal to 16. That means 16 gram means 1 mole. So we have to find out 0.8 gram means how many moles. So 16 gram of methane is equal to 1 mole of methane. 1 gram of methane is equal to 1 by 16 mole of methane. 0.80 gram of methane will be equal to 1 by 16 into 0.80 mole of methane. If you calculate this one, then you will get 0.05 mole of methane. Hence we can write the answer as 0.05 mole of methane is present in 0.80 gram of methane. Now next come to another problem. Problem number 3. Calculate the number of oxygen atoms in 0.10 mole of sodium carbonate decahydrate Na2CO3 10H2O. Then the second bit is the gram atoms present in 4.6 gram of sodium. The third bit is the moles, number of moles in 12 gram of oxygen. So one by one we will solve this one. First one, calculate the number of oxygen atoms in 0.10 mole of sodium carbonate decahydrate. So let us see this one. In this formula, sodium carbonate decahydrate, count the number of oxygen atoms. So you can find here, there are 3 oxygen atoms here and 10 oxygen atoms here. So 10 plus 3, 13. So in the formula, sodium carbonate decahydrate, 13 atoms of oxygen are found. What does it mean? In 1 mole of sodium carbonate decahydrate, 13 mole of oxygen atoms are present. So we have to find out what is the number of mole in 0.10 mole of sodium carbonate. So in 0.10 mole of sodium carbonate, you can find 13 into 0.1, that is equal to 1.3 mole of oxygen atoms. But we have to find out the number of oxygen atoms. So in 1 mole, 6.022 atoms are present. So in 1.3 mole, 1.3 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms are present. So which will be equal to 7.829 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of Now let us come to the second bit. Calculate the number of gram atoms in 4.6 gram of sodium. Just remember what is gram atom. Gram atom is the amount of substance which contain as much substance as its gram atomic mass. So the gram atomic mass of sodium is equal to 423 gram. So 23 gram of sodium means 1 gram atom of sodium. 1 gram of sodium means 1 by 23 gram atom of sodium. So 4.6 gram of sodium is equal to 1 by 23 into 4.6 gram atom of sodium, which will be equal to 0.2 gram atom of sodium. Hence we can say 4.6 gram of sodium contains 0.2 gram atom of sodium. Now the last bit, number of moles in 12 gram of oxygen. We know that oxygen, the molecular mass is 32 gram. So 32 gram of oxygen is equal to 1 mole. 1 gram of oxygen is equal to 1 by 32 mole. 12 gram of oxygen is equal to 12 into 1 by 32 mole, which you can calculate as 1 by 8 or 3 by 8 or 0.375 mole of oxygen. Hence the answer will be 12 gram of oxygen contains 0.375 mole of oxygen. Now let us come to our next problem, problem number 4. Calculate the weight or mass of an atom of oxygen, an atom of hydrogen, a molecule of ammonia, 10 to the power 22 atoms of carbon, the molecule of oxygen, 0.25 gram atoms of calcium. So children, here there are 6 bits. So one by one we are going to solve. First is calculate the weight of or mass of an atom of oxygen. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. It means that 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms weighs 16 gram. That is what 1 mole of oxygen atom. 1 mole of oxygen atom contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms and its weight is 16 gram. So the mass of one atom of oxygen will be 16 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 gram, which you can calculate it. The answer will be 2.66 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Thus, the mass of one atom of oxygen is 2.66 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Now, second bit, one atom of hydrogen. It is the similar way we can find out. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. What does it mean? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms weighs 1 gram. Thus, one atom of hydrogen, the mass of one atom of hydrogen will be equal to 1 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 gram, which can be calculated as 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Now the next bit is C. The answer you can write. Next bit is C. Calculate the weight or mass of one molecule of ammonia. Here the molecular mass of ammonia is to be found. The molecular mass of ammonia is 17 gram. Thus, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of ammonia weighs 17 gram. So, one molecule of ammonia, the weight will be 17 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 gram, which is equal to 2.823 into 10 to power minus 23 gram. And now the next is, hence the mass of one molecule of ammonia is 2.823 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Now the next is D, 10 to the power 22 atoms of carbon. The atomic mass of carbon is 12 gram. Gram atomic mass of carbon is 12 gram. What does it mean? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon weighs 12 gram. That means one atom of carbon, the weight will be 12 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So mass of 10 to the power 22 atoms of carbon, the weight will be 12 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 10 to the power 22, which will be equal to 0.1993 gram. Nearly. Hence, the mass of 10 to the power 22 atoms of carbon is 0.1993 gram. The next bit is bit E. Calculate the weight or mass of the molecule of oxygen. Here you have to find out the molar mass of oxygen, which is equal to 32 gram. What does it mean? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules weighs 32 gram. So dear children, what is the mass of one molecule? The mass of one molecule of oxygen will be equal to 32 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 gram. So now after calculation we will get 5.314 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Hence the mass of one molecule of oxygen is 5.314 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Now the last bit, that is F, gram atomic mass of calcium. We have to find out the mass of 0.25 gram atoms of calcium. Now gram atom, already I discussed in the previous number that gram atom means the amount of calcium whose weight is equal to its gram atomic mass. That means 40 gram. 40 gram means 1 gram atom. So 1 gram atom of calcium is equal to 40 gram. 0.25 gram atom of calcium will be equal to 40 into 0.25 gram, which will be equal to 10 gram. So the mass of 0.25 gram atom of calcium is 10 gram. Now let us move to our next question. Problem number 5. What mass of calcium contains the same number of atoms as are present in 3.2 gram of sulfur? So when we see this question, first of all we have to see how many atoms are present in 3.2 gram of sulfur. This one. Atoms as are present in 3.2 gram of sulfur. So first question is, how many atoms are present in 3.2 gram of sulfur? The gram atomic mass of sulfur is equal to 32 gram. That means in 32 gram we can find 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 sulfur atoms. Now in 1 gram you can find 32 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 32. So 3.2 gram of sulfur contains 3.2 divided by 32 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 22 sulfur atoms. Now our question is, what is the mass of calcium when its number of atom is this much, 6.022 into 10 to the power 22, or what is the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 22 calcium atom? The atomic mass of calcium is 40. So the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of calcium is equal to 50 gram, and thus 6.022 into 10 to the power 22 atoms of calcium will be equal to 4 gram. Is that clear? Okay. The answer you can write. Mass of the required number of calcium atom is 4 gram. Thank you. Have a nice day.